Hello and welcome to my next watch build video. We'll be changing a Camy to Movado. That's a Camy Geneve, probably redialed, and that's its movement. It has a mechanical winding movement. And get your tools ready because here we go. So first things first, you take off the back with a watch wrench. The back's already off here, and this actually has a screw release for the stem. So you're going to need to use a small gauge like a 000 flathead screwdriver to unscrew it. And remember, always turn counterclockwise. Now this screw is stuck in this movement, and so I'm gonna jab at it, and I'm gonna try to turn. Nope, it's not turning. Jab at it again. Nope, 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 not turning. Here we go. Nope. Let's see here. Yeah, it's gonna apply a little muscle there. Gonna hold it tight, and that's not moving. All right, so here we go again. I sharpened up my screwdriver. Little tip: sandpaper works. Hold that movement steady, and come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, there we go. It's moving now. Actually, something snapped. So good sign. The stem is out, and we can move the movement out. There we go. Oh, look. Hey, something fell out. And actually, that is the holder for the stem. That's what keeps the stem in. And so, lucky me, I broke the spring that holds the holder for the stem. Let's remove the hands. Save those for later, or for a different watch even. And now I'm going to remove the face. Now the original idea was to change the face, use a sterile black face to make a nice clean looking watch. And since this is a redial anyway, then I don't mind getting rid of this face. Little side screws there. Some older watches will have these side screws to hold in the face pegs. There's little pegs in the movement. You just unscrew those. Thankfully those weren't stuck. And you'll see the face gets really loose, and then you can just kind of pop it off with the screwdriver. Okay, here we go. There it is. Hey, that's beautiful and broken. Yeah, that'll never work again. I could buy the part for it, but actually this is a trash movement. It's a FHF-ST96. It's Swiss, but when there is such a thing as a bad Swiss movement. So it's garbage. It's rubbish at this point. Time to throw it away. Now there's a 17 jewel Movado from the 60s. That's a nice mechanical movement. It even looks nice too. It's beautiful. It looks like treasure. So I'm going to put that on the black face and attach the minute and hour hand. It's a two-hand movement, so there's no seconds hand. Test it with the stem in, and then you put it in the case, lock the stem, put in that nice spacer right there so everything kind of holds in place. Put the case on. And now I use a little polywatch polish for the crystal. See, nice and shiny. It's an acrylic crystal, so you can use polywatch. And then I put in some beads because I want to look trendy. Look how cool I am. Now this is Dagon, and this is Crowley, and those are my other recent builds using two-tone hands. So thank you again. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.